Alright gamers and Minecrafters, welcome to my first video on this channel, and today we're taking a look at the Razer and Minecraft Edition gaming setup. This includes the Kraken V4X headset, the Widow V4X keyboard, the Razer Cobra customizable gaming mouse, and the Gigantus V2M mousepad. And each of these is themed around Minecraft featuring the iconic creeper design. But do they perform as well as they look? Well, let's find out. Okay, let's start with the Kraken V4X. Looking at the box, you'll see the classic green pixel design that looks like the Minecraft grass block. There are also some Minecraft characters and mobs in the bottom left corner, and it even includes a bonus virtual item which you can redeem on the Minecraft website. On the side, you'll find the Razer and Minecraft logos. The box feels high quality, which is what makes the unboxing more fun and premium. On the side of the cover, there's a quote that says full spectrum immersion. And on the back is the Razer slogan for gamers by gamers. Inside the box, you'll see the headset packed in a black pouch with the manual placed on top of the cover. The design looks really good. It reminds me of my first gaming headset, the original Razer Kraken. Though mine was the black version, but I seen the green one, which is really interesting. This one has a creeper face on both sides of the headset and a Minecraft logo underneath. I also like the little detail of the creeper face printed on the speakers. It looks cool, but I'm not a huge fan of the grass texture of the headphone. But that's just my opinion or preferences. It's still a nice detail though. This headset is lightweight with only around 250 grams, which makes it very comfortable to wear even for long gaming sessions. The ear cushions are over the ear, which is made from memory foam and covered in soft fabric, so they're breathable and don't get too warm when you're using it for a long run. This headset features a Razer Triforce 40mm drivers, which provide a clear, balanced sound. Whether you're playing Minecraft, listening to music, or watching some videos, the audio quality is great for the price. Also, the hyper clear cardioid microphone. It can pick up your voice clearly and blocks out the background noise. It's flexible but not detachable, and you can connect this via USB Type-A. So it works with PC, consoles, and even mobile devices. Most of the mobile devices right now don't have the 3.5mm socket, so I don't know if you'll be able to use it. Probably use a converter if you have one, but that's just my suggestion if you want to use this headset for your mobile devices. Also, the cables are sturdy and it won't easily break or bend when you're using them. Okay, next is the Widow V4X keyboard. It has the same design like the headset and a free virtual item, but when you open the box, the first thing you'll notice is the bright green color of the keyboard. It's not really my favorite color, but since it's Minecraft themed, it makes sense. What I really like are the creeper faces on the arrows. It's a fun little design for me. There's also a small creeper face on the side of the escape key, which I think is a really cool little detail. If you look closely, the base of the keyboard has a pixelated brown pattern. It's designed to look like the dirt from a Minecraft grass block. Also, it uses the Razer green mechanical switches, which are clicky and tactile, which is perfect for typing or gaming if you like that satisfying press feedback. Here's a sound test for you guys. The keyboard has a full RGB lighting that you can customize using Razer Synapse. It also features dedicated media keys, which they call a multi-function roller. It is satisfying to roll, I'm not gonna lie on that one. And it can support 6 dedicated macros, which is placed on the left side of the keyboard, making it versatile for gaming and productivity. The cable is braided, making it durable and won't break easily. The design is based on the creeper theme with green highlights and a blocky font that matches the Minecraft aesthetic. The next one is the Razer Cobra customized gaming mouse. It's small, it's lightweight, only around 58 grams, and it features a symmetrical shape that's good for most grip styles. It also has its virtual item if you're into that, and inside the box you get the manual, a Razer sticker, and of course the mouse itself. The mouse feels a little small for my hand, but I think it will be a good fit for most people. One detail I really like is the bright green color on the scroll wheel. There's also two customizable buttons on the side and a DPI button on top that lets you switch between your saved DPI profiles. Well, speaking of DPIs, it has 8500 DPI optical sensor and a 100% PTFE mouse fit for smooth gliding on almost any surface. It also have a RGB lighting which glows through the Razer logo on the back of the mouse and a nice texture for grip, which add a nice touch without being too flashy. For me, it's a good match for casual and competitive gaming. Finally, the Gigantus V2M mousepad. This will complete the setup and it has a soft cloth surface that allows smooth, precise mouse movement and a rubber base that keeps it from sliding around. The size is ideal for medium-sized desks and setups, and the pixel art paper design match the rest of the gear perfectly. So my final thought, does the Razer Minecraft Edition setup worth it? Well, if you're a fan of Minecraft and you want a team setup that actually performs well, this is a great option. But the downside is there's no wireless version of this bundle if you're into wireless gaming. The price is slightly higher due to the special edition branding, but that's the point of this edition. And each item offers the same reliable performance you'd expect from Razer. So yeah, and I'm really grateful that you checked out my first review video on this channel. And if you're thinking about picking one up, or like the whole set, it's a solid choice. I'm not gonna lie on that one, especially if you like Minecraft. So let me know which one is your favorite, and I see you guys in the next one.